Python string methods. Is lower. Returns true, if all the letters in string are in lowercase. Is upper. Returns true, if all the letters are in uppercase. Is numeric. Returns true, if all the elements in string are numeric values. Join. It concatenate all the iterable string into a single string. And the separator is the given string. When using dictionary as an iterable. It concatenate only keys, not the values. Ljust. It takes two arguments, width, fill character. The output string length will be in the given width. String is in the left side. Fill character will be in the extra space. By default it will be space. In Ljust, string is in the right side. Lower. It returns the string in lowercase. Upper. It returns the string in uppercase. Lstrip. It takes one optional argument, character. It removes the given character from the left side, until a different character appear. Rstrip. It removes from right side of the string. Rfind. It takes one argument, value. It returns the index number of the value's last occurrence. Rfind and Rindex are same. The difference is, Rfind returns -1, and Rindex return error, if the value is not found. Is printable. It returns true, if all the characters of the given string are printable. These are not printable. Is space. It returns true, if all the characters of the given string are white spaces. Is title. It returns true, if each word's first character is uppercase and the rest are in lowercase.